Did you hear that? That's right. That's enough. So that's official junk right there. I'm terrible at this. Hook. Ah. Hey everybody, Ricky here with Apple Valley Farm. A little bit of an update for you. Just wanted to let you guys know a couple of quick things. I've already kind of announced sort of about us doing the OT2 games division of Apple Valley Farm. Apple Valley Farm is not going away. We're going to continue to do the things that we're doing, but with the cornhole boards and all the tailgating stuff and all, it's become such a big part of our business. We decided to just have a branch or a division of Apple Valley Farm and just dedicate that to those things. Anyway, that's what OT2 Games is, and we're going to be doing a lot of videos in relation to that, and so you'll be seeing more of that, and I'll be talking more about that. But Apple Valley Farm, the signs and all the stuff that we do, this is all going to stay there, and we're going to continue to do all that. So now that we are into the new year, and the whole idea of like a New Year's resolution is past, because I don't want to like make a New Year's resolution about this or that. One thing that I've been wanting to do, one thing I've been needing to do is get back on the wagon and start making a few more healthy choices. I'm not going to be like on some like health kick. I'm not going to be like some, wanting to adopt some Mark Wahlberg workout routine. I just want to be a little more healthy. I want to feel better. I don't feel good in my clothes. I want my clothes to fit me, not like squeeze me. So we're going to start doing that, and I want you guys to help hold me accountable. I need you to help hold me accountable for the things that we're doing, for making good choices. And maybe, you'll see me doing some things and you'll say, I like that. I'd like to do those things too. Maybe you're in the same boat I'm in. I just want to shed a few pounds and feel better about myself. And if that's you, then maybe we can do this together. Anyway, that's a couple of quick updates. Fixing to get back at it and take advantage of the last little bit of this warm weather that we've got before it turns back off cold again. Thanks again. You guys have a great day, a great upcoming weekend, some great big things coming. In the next couple of weeks, we're going to be doing some really cool stuff, and I can't wait to get started and share this stuff with you. You're going to love it. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Thanks for hanging out. See you. Have a great day. Bye. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching, and thanks a lot for hanging out here with us and being a part of the things that we're doing. Hey, to watch our latest video, be sure to click right up here, and to subscribe to our YouTube channel, which will change your vibe. Be sure to click right down here. Thank you so much. Take care. See you later.